What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be replacing the rear brakes on my E70 X5. Alright, first step as usual, just gotta jack it up. Try to break the nuts loose first. Still gotta get the rubber replaced, but all right. So I got T45 Torx bit. All right, just gonna pop off this retainer clip here. That one was pretty stuck on there compared to they usually are. Pads aren't even that bad. I don't know why the light was on. All right, here's one of our new brake pads. Don't forget to put your clip in, because I almost forget every single time I do brakes on these cars. Alright, this side's done. Jeez guys, look at that. This clip was already off. That's weird. Anyways, pop off those two plastic caps in the back. All right, we just gotta toss on the pad here. All right, just gotta pop on these caps on the back here. Can't forget our clip. All right, another brake job is done. Well guys, the brakes are done. I know the video was pretty quick, but I didn't want to bore you guys with unscrewing bolts. So hopefully my next video is a little bit longer and more interesting, but I'm trying to do weekly uploads. But if you did like the video, be sure to leave a like down below. And while you're down there, you might as well subscribe. So that way you can stay tuned for the upcoming videos. But other than that guys, that's going to today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.